Microsoft just dropped another Windows 11 27H2 Insider PB build 29580. Microsoft is testing something way more bigger, a completely new direction called experimental future platform channel. And if you're on this build, you're basically using the future of Windows before it even exists. So hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab, and today in this video we're gonna break through what are the new changes and new features to the Canary build. So without getting further ado, let's get started. On May 1st, 2026, Microsoft officially restructured this Insider program, and the old Canary builds, they've now evolved into something more powerful and more unpredictable. This new experimental channel is where Microsoft tests next-generation platform ideas, not just features. Let's start with the biggest visible change, the payback hub. And surprisingly, it's actually a big deal. File uploading limit is now 500 megabytes, cleaner, more modern UI, easier category search, faster feedback submission, but here is the real game changer. Here is a focused mode. You can see I'm using this. To use this, you just need to press Win key plus F to launch it. With the help of the focused mode, you can now send feedback instantly using smaller window, without interrupting your workflow. This is Microsoft saying, we want feedback in real time, not later. And honestly, that's going to speed up how fast Windows improves. Now let's talk about the biggest shift. This build is no longer just Canary. It's now part of the experimental future platform channel. And this changes everything. This is not tied to Windows 11 updates like 24H2, 25H2, or 26H2. Instead, it may be the future platform like Windows 11 27H2 or maybe Windows 12. Microsoft is testing new system architecture, deep OS level changes, features that may never release. Yes, some features you may see here could disappear overnight. And now, this is huge for power user. You can now go to Settings, and then Windows Update, and then Windows Insider Program, and toggle feature flags manually. That means you can control experimental features. It's basically giving users developer level access without needing the tools like Vibe tool. Another big win. Microsoft will now release ISO files for experimental builds, so you can clean install anytime, test safely on another system, avoid update issues. This is a massive upgrade for testers and creators. Now don't expect flashy features here. This build is mostly about under the hood fixes, stability improvements, early platform testing. Remember, this is future platform code, not final features, so performance might improve or break, depending on what Microsoft is testing. So here is something interesting. Another experimental build that is 78,020.1921 got actual features like Task Manager and PO tracking, app container improvements, but build 29,580, it focuses on infrastructure, not features, and tells us one thing: Microsoft is working on something much deeper behind the scene. Let's be real, this build is not for everyone. Avoid it if you need a stable PC, you use system for work, you don't like bugs. Try it if you're a tech enthusiast, you test Windows features, you create tech content like me. Because right now this is the closest you can get to the future Windows. So yeah, this isn't just another Windows update. This is Microsoft experimenting with what Windows could become in the next 5 to 10 years. And if you run this build 29,580, you're just not testing features, you're testing future. If you want more deep dives of Windows updates like this, make sure to like, subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab, and turn on the notifications. And comment below, would you install this experimental build on your PC, or just waiting for the stable build? Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.